The second dead carcass we find today. We're gonna put it on the YouTube.